Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. Whoa, yeah, this is what we're getting ready to work on now, is another ATC 250 1986 Honda. This one here, as you can see, it came to us in loose pieces here and there. Some of this stuff is missing. Has a different exhaust on it, like more of a performance. Has this little luggage rack or cooler rack or wine rack or whatever you want to call it, a headlight guard and everything. But we're getting ready to restore this one also. Deja vu, baby. Let's take a quick look. So here's our new restoration project. There's that cooler rack, rag rack, tool rack. There's the exhaust. It's aftermarket. It's one of those high performance ones. Our rims, our tires, our axle. Everything seems to be all here. The parts that are missing, our customer says he has them. The seat looks like it's in really good condition. Here's our exhaust. We'll actually try to make this look more of a factory style. There's a headlight guard. This is usually missing here on these bikes. Overall, it's in great shape. Some like normal wear and tear on it. It's in pieces, just sitting here loosely. I like this. This is actually tells us the temperature of the radiator. Yeah, I haven't seen that before. That looks pretty cool, pretty nifty idea. Probably well worth having on there. You're riding out on the sand of the desert. You don't want to overheat these engines. We're going to make this thing look just like the factory. We're kind of under a budget on this project, so we're not going to be able to go crazy, but let's get started. Remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks, and this bike all broken out on this floor. We're going to lay it out piece by piece. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Start all over. More coffee, please. And we'll show you what it looks like when it's in a bunch of pieces. And I forgot what I was going to say.